Hello and welcome back, guys, to your favorite learning point, GSL. Guys, this is Gulfar Singh presenting today complete pronoun classes. In these classes, we study their first part, which is too much small. Guys, I provide you complete English courses just in 45 days. So join us and take these classes. Guys, I also provide you complete Hindu analysis, triple C course, Indian polity, and standard 6 to 12 all courses, and many more on your demand which you like. Guys, now comes to the point without wasting any time, and it comes on pronoun part 1. Guys, please like, share, subscribe, and support us, and let's get started. Guys, this is pronoun. It is a word which used in place of a noun, which used in place of a noun. Or we can also say that pronoun is a word which avoid repetition of a noun in a sentence to make our language stylistic. Okay, guys, as example we can understand he, she, it, this, that, these, those, him, himself, myself, yourself, etc. We all understand, or we in Hindi we can also understand. Guys, as example we can say Ram is going to Agra. Here Ram is now. He is going to Agra. Here he is pronoun. He is pronoun used in place of noun like Ram. Guys, pronouns are of 10 kinds. Which one is in which first is personal pronoun, second is possessive pronoun, third is reflexive pronouns, fourth is demonstrative pronouns, fifth is relative pronouns, sixth is interrogative pronouns, seventh is reciprocal pronouns, eighth is universal pronouns, ninth is distributive pronouns, and tenth is indefinite pronouns. But we study in this class their first type in more details, which is personal pronoun. It is of three kinds: subjective personal pronouns, objective personal pronouns, and possessive personal pronouns. Now comes to personal pronoun. Subjective personal pronoun. As example, I, you, they, he, she, it, we, etc. All are subjective personal pronouns. Objective personal pronouns like me, him, her, it, them, us, you, etc. All are objective personal pronouns. Possessive personal pronoun. These are mine, his, hers, theirs, ours, yours, etc. These are possessive personal pronouns. Guys, go ahead and comes to the next point. We can also understand in Hindi any sentence in which subject and objects be the same. If subject is in subjective is subject is in SSP is in SSP means subjective personal pronouns, means subjective personal pronouns. Then object is also in SSP means subjective personal pronoun. If object is in objective personal pronoun, if subject is in objective personal pronouns, then object also be in objective personal pronouns. If subject is in possessive personal pronouns, then object is also be in possessive personal pronouns. As example, we can see he is better than me, he is better than me. Here he is SSV means subjective means subjective personal pronouns. Here here here's missing in typing SPP. Here comes SPP subjective personal pronoun, and here also becomes SPP. Guys, so comes to the topic. He is better than me. He is in SPP means subjective personal pronoun, and me is in OPP means objective personal pronoun. So this is wrong. So this sentence is wrong because of he is SPP and me is OPP means objective personal pronoun and subjective personal pronoun. He is better than I. Here he and I both are in SPP means subjective personal pronoun. So these sentences are correct. He is as smart as me. In this sentence, he is SPP and object is me. It's not SPP. So this sentence becomes wrong. He is as smart as I. He is also in SPP means subjective personal pronoun, and I is also in SPP means subjective personal pronoun. So these sentences are right. Guys, now comes to the next one. Note, let plus subjective personal pronoun is wrong. If in any sentence let is used with subjective personal pronoun, then the sentence becomes wrong. Because of let always takes objective personal pronoun and a possessive personal pronoun. It does not take any subjective personal pronoun. Like let I go. This sentence be incorrect. So we use let me go. Let me go. Guys, now comes to the next one. Guys, our classes in this section be completed, and I come with new topics in next class. Guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and support to GSL. You can also join our Telegram channel and WhatsApp us. Thanks for watching.